Hey, everybody. My name's Elliot Roth. I'm the founder of Spira. Spira creates replacement ingredients for petroleum-derived and animal compounds in the food supply. So have you ever been walking around after it rained and seen this rainbow shimmer on top of the asphalt? Well, that rainbow is what food companies currently use as an ingredient in food dyes in foods that we conventionally eat. So every time you're eating a colored food product, you're basically licking the pavement. And major food companies have realized this is a big issue and have made public declarations to phase out these colors by 2022. If they don't phase them out and don't find replacements for current artificial dyes and colors, then they're at risk of lawsuits, loss of market share, and more. In particular, blue has been incredibly difficult to find in nature until now. As the distributor for a major color company said to us, if you can make a stable, natural blue, we'll buy as much of it as you can produce. For them, that's about 75 metric tons, and for us, that would be about $26 million in revenue. Immediate winner-take-all market opportunity. So our solution is a CRISPR genetically engineered spirulina microalgae. We're one of the only companies that have genetically engineered spirulina successfully and have intellectual property around enabling stability and greater functionality out of the ingredients from spirulina. We have a unique protected process that enables us to extract valuable ingredients from spirulina. What we do is we take it through a proprietary extraction process that enables us to produce this beautiful blue colorant that we call electric sky. And then as a co-product of it, we have a natural beige plant-based protein powder that is perfect for plant-based milk and meat. We're particularly focused on the blue colorant to sell into the food space as a beachhead market. We sell this blue colorant for $350 a kilogram, enabling us to maintain a 50% margin on the product itself. And it's easy to scale. We have demonstrated an interest from a variety of different companies, which lines us up for an estimated $15 million in revenue opportunity. The way that we scale is through a contract farming network. So we leverage farms that already exist all over the world that we work with these farmers in developing communities to actually source spirulina, enabling us to have a minimal CapEx, virtually no CapEx, and minimal OpEx. And we pass along those savings to customers. So our team is made up of who's who of the food industry. Myself, I have a background of 10 years of experience in synthetic biology. My co-founder has experience from Health Warrior, which was recently acquired by PepsiCo. And then we have a PhD in algae biotechnology that has about 15 years of experience. We're also advised by some really prominent people in food. So we are currently selling our blue ingredient. We're looking for investors for a $2 million raise, which would enable us to build out a pilot plant to prove out our extraction technique and enable us to hit those kind of revenue targets we're talking about. We're also looking for distribution partners. So if you are interested in our colorant or if you're interested in our alternative protein ingredient, please contact me. Thank you.